Hey guys, welcome back. So let's start the project by clicking on the file, a new project, and let's get a form. Alright, for this project I'm going to need a button, a combo box, and a list box. Alright, so the first thing comes to mind that what is an array? Well, instead of creating lots of variables, you can just create one array and put all those values of this variable inside the array. And you can call those values using the array's index number. So let me just give you an example. Let's just double click on the button. Let's create an array. So to do that, just dim, then the array name, and then within the parentheses you have to define the length of this array. Let's say 4, and then type of this array, which is going to be here string. Alright, next we have to put some values inside of this array. So floor name, then the index number, this is not the length, so index number 0. Well, index number always starts with a 0, so when using for length, the index number is going to be 0, 1, 2, and 3. Alright, I'll just fast forward it and put some values inside this array. So in this way you can put values inside that array. Also there is another way you can put values inside of array. Well, you have to type 4 lines. Instead of doing that, you can just delete that, and then let's delete this also. This is a normal variable. You have to write a parentheses after the type of this array, and then equals. Within the curly parentheses you can type all those values like floor 1, comma, floor 2, comma, floor 3, comma, floor 4. This is also another way to create an array, but we cannot define the length of this array in this case. So now let's put all those in a combo box. So to do that, let's just create a for loop. So for I equals 0 to floor name dot length minus 1. Well, why minus 1? As I told you before, that array's length is always greater than the index number. So the index number starting with the 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, just like that. So we have to include a minus 1 to the array's length. So now we can say combo box 1 dot items dot add, and then we can say floor name, and then within the curly parentheses we can call that using the index number. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's say I. So let's just play and see. If I press button 1, it's going to put all these values in the combo box. Alright. So now let's just create another array. Simply let's just copy and paste it. Change this to room name. Alright. So this is the floor 1, room 1, room 2, room 3, and room 4. Alright. Now let's create another for loop. So for I equals 0 to this time room name dot length minus 1 is the same as before. Then we're gonna put that in a list box. So list box 1 dot items dot add, and then we can say room name, and within the parentheses let's call I, which is this one. Alright, now let's just hit play and see. So as you can see, the list box contains all those room names and combo box contains all those floor names. So let's say every floor has one room. So to fix that way, what you can do, you can just delete this forward. But before I delete this, let me just show you something. Alright, if I press the button 1 first time, as you can see, all those rooms names are coming. But if I press it again, as you can, it's stacking with these rooms. We have to fix that first. To fix that is a simple fix. Combo box 1 dot items dot clear list box use list box 1 dot items dot clear. So it's gonna first clear everything, then it's gonna put those values to the combo box or list box. Yeah. So now let's just delete this for the list box. And here what I'm gonna do is inside the combo box I'm gonna write an if statement. So if combo box 1 dot text is equals to floor name I. So I'm basically saying that when the combo box text is equals to room 1 or room 2, room 3, room 4, whatever the floor name is, the floor name, it's gonna put the list box, it's gonna put the values to the list box, the room name values. So list box 1 dot items dot add, and then now we can say name I. Alright, but this one, let me just cut this part here, this part, and we have to put that above the list box because we are using it here. Alright, let's just apply it. And now if I press the button first time, as you can see, normally there is nothing in the list box, but all these rooms are coming in the combo box. So if I all this floor are coming in the combo box. So if I select the floor and then press the button again, and as you can see, each floor has one room. Like this floor 2 has room 2, and this floor 3 has room 3, and the last one is floor 4 has room 4. So yeah, that's how normally array works. So the last thing I will show you that how you can add values to an existing array. Normally you cannot add values to an existing array until you change the length of that. So as you can see, this array has already the array's length is 4. So you have to first change it to 5, and then you can put values to this array. To do that, what you're gonna do, you're gonna write array, then dot resize, then within the parentheses you have to write the array name, which is here the floor name. So let me just copy this and paste it there, and then comma, and then the length as integer. So we have to write the floor name dot length, and I'm just gonna +1 to that. Alright, so now I have resized the array length. So now we can put values to the array. So I'm gonna type floor name, and within the parentheses floor name dot length -1, and that's gonna be equals to our value, which is floor 5. Alright, so now if I hit debug and click on this, as you can see, floor 5 has been added there. So yeah, that's how you can add values to the existing array. Alright, so that's it for today. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. And make sure you click on the subscribe button, and don't forget to share with your friends, families and Facebook. And make sure you click on this little bell icon, that's gonna send you a message whenever I make videos in future.